Okay, so I've been telling everybody that the new Tinkercad beta is awesome. And there's the ability to share your project with another person so you can work on it at the same time. There's the easier use of the alignment tool and the flipping tool, and you can now more easily insert text. So there's a lot of really cool things. I like the die as opposed to the other navigation. But what's really, really cool about the beta is the ability that you've gained now to manipulate your shapes in cool and different ways. So I'm going to start with a basic box and put this into Tinkercad. I'm just going to scale it up a little bit. We'll say we'll make it at 80 millimeters high. And now I'm going to decrease the steps and increase the radius, which changes my box significantly. And messing with steps and radius, I can end up with a more rounded design, a boxier design, something altogether different from what I started with. It just makes Tinkercad a little bit more interesting, a little bit more fun. The more steps, the more rounded your shape gets. The less steps, the boxier it gets. And I can also mess with my width here, my height, anything at all is accessible here in this menu. I might be able to do something really, really cool with a simple box. I'm going to delete that. And I want to show off another cool tool here. I'll hit the home button here. If I grab a simple tube like this, I can really mess with it in lots of fun ways. So I have 24 sides, which gives me that rounded shape. Let's drop that. And now it looks like a hollow triangle. And let's see, I'm going to increase the radius and the wall thickness. I like that. Okay. Now I'm going to do a Control D, and I've duplicated it. And I'm going to rotate this guy 22.5 degrees. It's the first automated mark there. I'm going to duplicate it again, and it's already rotated 22.5 degrees because that's what I did the last time. It will keep rotating 22.5 degrees as many times as I want. Now here is a really kind of neat design that I was able to do in seconds. Let me group it all together. That I was able to do in seconds from a tube. Right? So don't be afraid to experiment with the new Tinkercad and the beta version. And if you see other tools pop up when you have a shape, use the sliders. See what they do. You might find they're extremely useful.